Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make team items in Roblox Studio. Firstly, open Roblox Studio. After that, go to the My Game section. Now navigate to the game you want to add a team item into. So I'll click on this game. Now let the game load first. After the game loads, we have to navigate to the toolbox section. Under the models tab, we have to search for team only gear, then enter. Now we will click on the first script and add it to our game. Click on OK. Now the script is in our workspace. We have to keep it there. Now we have to go to the team section. Click on the plus button and add a team. You can give this team any name that you want. I'll just give it team red. Now change the color to red as well. After that, we have to add the item that we would like to give this team specifically. So I'll just type pickaxe. Now choose the first pickaxe, then add it to our game by pressing OK. Now the pickaxe is in our game. We have to then left click on the pickaxe. From the properties menu, click on the workspace. Then navigate to the teams tab and click on the team that you would like to give this to. So I'll click on team red. Now it has been specified to team red. And now let's click on play. So now we are in the game, and as you can see, I am in team red and I have the pickaxe with me. So if I press 1 or left click on the pickaxe, you will see that I am holding this specific item for this specific team. And that's it.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.